on with our pop art project, the next thing we want to do is start to make duplicates and actually start messing around with some colors. So what I like to do is, as you can see over here in my layers, I have my first copy. So this needs to be 4 images when it's done. So all you need to do is go Command J, Command J, Command J. So now you have 4 layer copies, okay? This is the easiest way to do it, so you have enough to work with. So I'm gonna leave this open over here. And now I'm going to turn on, I'm gonna turn off the other layers. And as you can see, there's an eyeball. You turn it off, you can't see it. You turn it on, you can see it. And when you click over here, then you know which one is highlighted, okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're going to go in here and start to work with your selections and your background. So the first thing you can do is I can use my selection tool, okay? And I'm gonna hit select. And now I can actually go ahead and start to mess around with it a little bit in terms of the colors. Okay, so I can turn my threshold down up here with my magic wand tool. I can make it lower to say 5. Okay, and now I can go in and start to make a selection. For example, don't forget you can hold the shift key to add, and believe it or not, there's a new feature. If you hold the option key, you can see this little minus, and that will subtract. Okay, once again, let's start over. I can sit here and do a selection and hold shift to add, or I can hold the option key and subtract. Okay, so really that's kind of the first step of what you want to do. Okay, so now you can go in and start to mess with the face, and by doing that there's some fun things you can do. The first thing you could do is you can use, once again, like I said, your selection tool, and I want to do just my glasses. Okay, so I hit that one, I hold shift, I go there, I go down to the teeth, okay, or the eyeballs, and I can go and pick colors. Now don't forget, pop art is bright, vivid colors. So let's go with red, go edit, fill, like that, okay, and now I'm starting to get some funky colors. I can go over on this side, let's pick another color, okay. Pick a blue, or let's pick a purple color. So pick purple and go edit, fill. There's my other half. So it's really starting to look like a pop art portrait. You can add some more colors here, and you can go, once again, edit, fill, and you can start to fill these parts out, okay? So really that's kind of the first step for your pop art portrait. But I can even show you to go one step further if you want to. Say, for example, we can take some steps back to the beginning, okay? And that's the beauty of working with history and with layers. I can go in and go like this. I can go image, adjustments, and hue and saturation. That's a big one. So check this out. There's a feature on here called colorize. So if I hit colorize, watch what you can do. I can increase my saturation, okay? And then I can hit lightness. Now you can start to see colors, okay? So now you could do some even cooler things, for example, like this, okay? Don't forget, once again, just to show you real quick, I hit the colorize button, okay? So let's show you that. You hit colorize, but you have to make sure the first thing you do is turn up your lightness. Then your saturation, and then you can do your colors, and if you want to make it darker, you can. Okay, so let's say I like this one, I hit OK. Then I can go in and start to work with, okay, my color choices again. So I go edit, fill, OK, and there's the beginnings of my pop art portrait. Okay, so this is my first one. I'm gonna go fill, and now we're done. Okay, so coming up next, we're gonna make the other 3. Format it out, flatten it, save it, and make a JPEG. Stay tuned.